Alright, y'all, I got this LEXUS ES330 real quick. I recommended the valve covers on this because it was leaking pretty bad, but I just wanted to show y'all what happens when you don't change your oil. This head ain't really too bad, but it's the back head. You know, you got sludge in there. You don't really want to get none of that sludge. You don't want none of that sludge in your engine. And then when you go to break it all down, it'll get all inside your engine, and then that'll cause even more problems. But best thing to do is just change the oil on time, and this shit like this will never happen. Well, yeah, I got other things to do to this that I recommended, but this is the most crucial that they needed because it was leaking pretty bad. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to tell y'all that. All right, y'all, Philly D back with an update on the 06 ES330. So yeah, you know, it came in for an inspection, so it needed a rack and pinion, it needed front struts, oil change, 4 tires. What else you needed? Tie rods, outer tie rods. Oh, and valve cover gaskets. So yeah, it's a nice little ticket, $1,500 ticket. Yeah, so customer got it all done. All safety shit, you know what I mean? You know, so I don't think I hit the customer up, you know, too bad. It was stuff that they needed. So yeah, so they came back. I think they had a check engine light on or something else. So yeah, so now today I'm going to complete this inspection because obviously they previously failed. So let me get back to the shop. I'm just on a test run real quick, make sure everything is good, everything feels good, you know what I mean? And so yeah, if y'all honest with your customers and let them know, you know, what they honestly need, you know, 9 times out of 10 they get it done, especially if it's a customer that values their car and they care about their car and a safety. So there you go, guys. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.